Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off do not disturb on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you're going to find this feature. From here the sound option is here, so you have to move on sound. Okay, after you have been move on sound, just scroll up little bit and here you are going to find the do not disturb. Okay, so click on here do not disturb. So if you want to on this do not disturb on your mobile phone, what you need to do is that just click here on this option. Okay, turn on now. It means the do not disturb is turning on. Okay, so it has been turned on right now. And if you want to off this do not disturb, again you just click here turn off now. So right now the do not disturb has been set off. Okay, you can on off like this. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.